Superheroes, welcome to another edition of Just Ask Lilie the Lawyer. Today I wanted to take a couple minutes to show you some of the resources available to you if you're having a landlord-tenant issue. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you, and I'm going to take you to Minnesota Judicial Branch's self-help centers. And we're going to go to the Help Topics homepage. Today I actually really want to focus on tenant issues. And so let me go ahead and take you to that self-help page. On that page, go ahead and scroll down to the T's and click on Tenant Resources. This page is awesome if you're questioning what rights you have as a tenant, if you're renting from a landlord in Minnesota. So it has a definitions section. It has a facts section. I would go ahead and take a look at all the different facts section. Where can I get help with paying my rent, county rent assistance? Can a landlord evict me without going to court? The answer to that one is no. Learn some more of your rights about eviction. What can I do if a landlord locked me out and will not let me back in? Usually it's illegal for a landlord to lock you out and not let you back in. So go ahead and click on that link to learn more about your rights there. What can I do if a landlord kept my security deposit? What can I do if a landlord shuts off utilities? This is kind of hand in hand with getting locked out. There's a fact sheet here that you can click on called Lockouts and Shutoffs to Evict Are Illegal. Can I be evicted for reporting a housing code violation? The answer is no. Learn more about that. Do I have a right to a court-appointed attorney in my eviction case? If my landlord refuses to make repairs, can I make rent to the court until they do? Usually, yes. Learn about setting up a rent escrow. I was evicted and the landlord is going to get a writ of recovery. Is there anything I can do to stop the sheriff from removing me from my home? I had to leave personal property behind. My eviction case was dismissed. Why is it still on my record? Is my eviction case a public record? Can I ask for an eviction case to be removed from my record? When can a judge grant an eviction and expungement? Does my eviction case qualify for mandatory expungement? How do I ask for an eviction expungement? Why was my application for housing denied even though my case was expunged? Can I try to settle with my landlord or go to mediation? So those are some of the resources there. Now there's this also, and there's forms for some of these things as well. A lot of times if you go through the fact page, you can get to the form as well. This section references some of the rules that govern landlord-tenant issues in Minnesota. And then I want to call attention to this tools and resources page. This is a really helpful tool for preparing for trial in housing court or housing cases. Here's a legal fact sheet for housing. This is the landlord-tenant handbook. I send this resource out to clients quite a bit. If you're going to read anything, read this. I really hope that this helps you at least realize that there are resources available if you're having questions about any landlord-tenant issues. If you still have questions, go ahead and give us a call. We can schedule a limited representation advance flat fee consultation, and I can walk you through some of these resources, point you in the right direction, help you fill out the forms if you'd like, and answer any other questions that you might have, and definitely give you an idea of what the next steps will be in your landlord-tenant issue. Again, thanks so much for your time. Thanks for continuing to earn your place on your pillow every night, and I'll see you again soon, hopefully. Bye-bye.